Hi guys, so this is a study plan from November 1 to the CAT exam. But before we go into that, where is the party? What is the plan for the party? What you're going to do in the month of December? You can either chill down in Goa. Goa is the best time to go in December, or you can go to Himachal. December is again a beautiful time. You can have a snowfall as well. You can see that snowfall. If I'm talking about all these things, is because we need a break यार. बस हो गया यार, थक गए कैट दिख देख के. Yeah, those of you are feeling that way, bus 29 days more to go, and after 29 days we are going to have a party. 2 मिनट के बाद पहले सोचो कि what you're going to do after the CAT exam. Trust me, it will make you feel good. Especially those are feeling frustrated कि कब खत्म होगा. So this is our study plan. यार एक बार जान लगा दो. This November month is going to be, trust me, the most important month of your lifetime if you score well in the CAT exam. एक बार अच्छा स्कोर आ गया, इट्स अ लाइफ टाइम एफर्ट. ट्रस्ट मी, लाइफ टाइम benefits you're going to have it. So this is the study plan which I'm introducing here for the last 30 days. This is a crash course as well, last 25 days. So this is study plan for the 25 days here. Exam is on 29. Last 3 days I don't want you to study any new topic. We're just going to revise everything what you have done. Yeah, so this is our crash course. In case you want to join our program, you can call us on any of the numbers given below, or just call us any of the numbers given here. So my team will be more than happy to help you out, or you can directly buy online on cetking.com. All right, so this is a study plan. So हफ्ते में 2 दिन we are going to work on logic. So for example, today Sunday we are launching the program at 8:15. Every day 8:15 will be the class. So Sunday is quant, Monday and every Thursday is logic day. Yeah, Monday and Wednesday is a logic day. Tuesday and Thursday is the verbal day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday we talk about quant. ठीक है, 3 दिन quant. So 2 days verbal, 2 days DLR and 3 days quant. This is an ideal breakup which I can give you, and we are going to give a few mocks as well as we go along. So mock timetable is given here. So first 2 days no mock, then we have a mock every alternate day, and then a mock every day. So if you can take a printout of this thing, this sheet is shared in the description box. I've shared the link. Otherwise you can just take a screenshot here. I'll just make it large. Yeah, just take a screenshot of this, and this is going to be our pattern. तुम्हारे और कट ऑफ के बीच में जो खड़ा है वो ये टॉपिक है बस. Okay, and these are the cutoff we have here from the verbal point of view, DLR point of view, quant point of view, overall point of view. Depending on which category you belong to, you have to focus on that. ठीक है. See, those who starting from, पहली बात है, how can you be के now someone might say कि कैसे यार इतने दिनों में आम की कॉल कैसे आएगा, वेरी फ्यू 1 month में कैसे आएगा कॉल. सी यू फिल द कैट का फॉर्म इन अगस्त. इफ यू हैव नॉट yet studied anything till today, I'm sorry, it's your problem, not my problem. This is a crash course, this is a revision for everyone. इसमें से ट्रस्ट में आधे टॉपिक तुम्हें ऑलरेडी आते हैं. यू नॉट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम डे 0, यू आर ऑलरेडी सिटिंग ऑन n number of topics. सो जो टॉपिक नहीं आते उसको कवर करना है. जो आता है वी हैव टू जस्ट रिवाइज दोज टॉपिक्स. दिस इज अ मेन टॉपिक. आई हैव रिमूव्ड अ फ्यू टॉपिक फ्रॉम द लिस्ट. नंबर्स आई हैव रिमूव्ड बिकॉज नंबर इज टू डीप. ठीक है, नंबर्स का वैदिक नंबर्स करके एक मैराथन वर्कशॉप आई विल टेक दैट. सो उसके अलावा कुछ और करने का जरूरत नहीं. उसमें से कोई टॉपिक आएगा तो विल सॉल्व. उसके बाहर से कोई टॉपिक आएगा तो ऑब्वियसली आई नॉट सॉल्व. लास्ट 30 days इफ़ यू कैन वर्क हार्ड, लास्ट 25 days यार बस. उसके बाद पार्टी है बस. देन ऑफ कोर्स विल टॉक अबाउट द नॉन कैट एग्जाम यार. विल टॉक अबाउट अदर थिंग एज वेल. पार्टी तुम्हें जाने कौन देने वाला है वो सब बात की बातें हैं. लेट्स नॉट थिंक अबाउट दैट. नेक्स्ट 25 days आई वांट यू टू जस्ट फोकस ऑन दैट एंड लेट्स क्रैक दिस एग्जाम. ऑलराइट, ऑल द बेस्ट.